What's up, welcome back to another video of Fishing with Nick, and today we are basically doing a part 2 to the video that it was like 2 videos ago, where we rescued the tiny little carp from the creek. But we're gonna be fishing, I think, 3 or 4 different spots today. We're gonna head to the first spot right now, and I will see you there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are on our way right now. As you can see, I am on my beautiful bicycle because obviously I shouldn't be allowed to drive, and I don't have a car, so giving you this second little angle today. Sorry for any wind noise you may experience. For Christmas, I really want to get like a newer GoPro you can plug a microphone into, get a lot better audio quality, you know, things like that. But I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna see you at the spot. So when I pulled up to this spot, I wasn't really feeling it. I'm still not really feeling it, but I think it will be fishable. I think I can get a little bit of fishing done here. I think this spot is gonna hold anything. Okay. It's a quick fish. If they're here, they're gonna bite. If they're not, they ain't. Tried to bite it. That's another one. They're really small in here. They'll bite it. And this is like it's a pretty small trout jig. I guess they just can't get onto it. That's one. That's him. He ate it. Yeehaw, little. Yes, first creek bass. Ooh, man, he's cold. Creek bass of the day. I knew they were in here. Just gotta catch them. This is what I love. Just coming out here and catching little microfish. It's a little largemouth, of course, beautiful. Actually, might be a spot. I don't know. We're gonna get a little release on this guy. Okay, well, that was depressing, but. Let's get to the next spot.
Turn right onto South Kokomo Avenue. 1,000 feet, turn right onto English Street.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the bush. So I'm gonna get my pole out so I can hold it in front of me. But I found a spot that I may be able to reel in some fish, and it's a little bit deeper, so there may be some bigger fish in here, and I think I've tied that too tight to get undone. Here's the juice. Urban fishing under a bridge. People always be back here. This is graffiti and crap. But this right here, oh yeah, there's tons of tracks, and it looks like a fairly deep hole. So let us cast down and see what we can pull out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the last and final stop of the day. Now this one, I've been here, I fished here. I've never caught a fish here. You know, those are kind of early in the season. We're really ready for fishing season. It's spring. But this place, yeah, it's a little bit polluted, you know what I'm saying? And it's not really a creek, golf course, lake that empties into it. And it's kind of just like a drainage area for this lake. So I wouldn't exactly call it a creek, but it's good enough for this video, yeah. Okay, let us go this way a little bit. I've seen fish in here. I've seen them. And this water is usually pretty much crystal clear. Today, not so much. That's fish. That's fish. Yes! Finally, a little green sunfish just jigging it right there. Beautiful little specimen. He's a small one. Let's get a release. Beautiful. Let's see if we can get another one. I dropped it down right here and I was just jigging it. Yes! Just dropped down, pulled another green sunfish up. This one's actually a little bit bigger. He's got some sharp spines too. Look at him, little green sunfish. He's just sitting right there. Let's get a release. There he goes. I just think they're all kind of in the same spot. Just not very fun for me as an angler. This is a bigger one. This has got to be a crappie. Something big. Oh, it's a little largie. It's a little largie. Get in here. No, don't wrap me up back there. No, get out here. Get up 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 here. Yes! Wow, okay, well that just happened. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have, I don't know, we have a little largemouth. This thing is a chunk for what it's living in. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful fish for such a tiny little area of water. I'm gonna return it to the deep. There he goes. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, I did not know there was largies in here. Hooked him and I thought he was a monstro. Let's get another one. Yeehaw. That's the largie. That's the big one. He's ripping drag. What is this? It's not fighting like a bass. The head shakes. Ooh, on this ultralight though. Whatever you do, don't break off. It's a bass. It's a big one. So I'm tiring myself out. 6-pound test. Don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. It's a largie. It's got to be a largie. It's pulling like a nice one, actually. Oh, this is a big, oh my goodness, this is actually a decent largemouth. See, got me hung up? I'm moving him. Whoa, this is a big one. Get up here. Oh my, is this a catfish? This is a, whatever this is a monster. It's a bass, it's a PB. What is this? Oh my. I think it's a catfish. Is it a catfish? Yeah, it's a catty. I foul hooked him too. I didn't actually hook him correctly. I'm just gonna let him fight it out. Oh my goodness. That is a monster. Oh my goodness. I don't think he ate it. I think I foul hooked him. I thought this was a huge bass for a second. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, it's a foul hook, but I don't know, it felt like he might have tried to eat it, and then, I don't know what happened. This is most definitely my biggest catfish of my life. And surprisingly, I actually have my scale. Oh, I don't want to get spined. No, buddy, no. No, I gotta get in my bag. My reel's in the water. Got a giant catfish on the bank. This is the... No, buddy, I don't want to get spined. No. Oh, and he's gone. He's gone. I'm dizzy right now. I really want to get a weight on him, but I don't do catfish. And that guy... Okay. This just took a turn for the ultimate excitement. And I had my scale and I was about to weigh him. He was bigger than he was like 5 to 8 pounds. That was a 5 to 8 pound catfish that I just foul hooked in this tiny creek. Sometimes I can't believe what I do for content. I cannot believe that. Oh, he's got his catfish slime all over my line. Well, let's see. I knew he was fighting weird because his head wasn't shaking, and he just, I don't know what was going on there. I'm very interested to know what else is in this little creek here. That's a fish. Ooh, it's a largie. It's a largie. Oh no. Oh yeah. It's a little crappie. Crappie. Come on. Next cast after the giant catfish. Little crappie. He's a decent one. This is what's supposed to be in here. Crappie. Decent little crappie. I cannot believe this spot. This spot's the juice. If you ever want to come here, I will not leave the address down below because it's my honey hole. And there's probably a 5 to 10 pound catfish in here. So if you want to catch it, have at it. Little crappie. I don't eat these guys today. Go back. What do we got? A little livelier. Little fish. Little crappie. Quick catch. Okay. I think that was a crappie. It might have been a white bass. I'm not entirely sure. It didn't have very many crappie markings, but he's gone. Touched him, so it counted. See if we can get another one. I want 2 more fish. I say that, I'm not going to catch any more now, but I see things eating. I'm going to throw on him. Oh, I got one. Oh, he got off. I saw him. I saw something bust in that hole, threw on him. Picked up, so I can get another one. No, okay. That's fish. Ooh, he's a tiny one. Tiny little bad boy. I said I'd catch 2 more. This is 1. One more. I think this is a, I have no idea what that species is. EPF? What is this? Tell me. He gone. Yes. That's our last fish of the day right there. Don't get off. Don't get off. Yeehaw! That's our last fish of the day. Little green sunfish. Perfect little ender fish. Not like Minecraft, but good fish to end the day on. Let's get a quick pic for the gram. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful fish. Let's get this little buddy back in the water. See ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is where I'm going to end off on today's video. End off on a good note. I'm actually going to throw one more cast because I said I'm done. I have to throw one more cast. It's just a thing. So I fish to throw another cast. Anyway. Just going to throw one more little cast. If I don't catch anything, it's okay. I'm out of here. No followers. Okay. Let me get back up here. We're going to switch to the phone cam. And, yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we had a pretty epic day fishing today. We caught a catfish about the size of my leg. Foul hooked him, but, you know, it's still a catch. Still touched him, so landed him. Didn't get away, unfortunately, because I just didn't. Yeah, I don't like catfish. They have the little spears in their. Yeah, anyway. Some people really don't care about the spears. I do. Anyway, make sure to like, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, my Instagram will be in here somewhere and in the description. I'll have an email in the description if you're a company that wants to sponsor me or my high school fishing team. Anything else is in the description. I guess just see you in the next video. Peace.